In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Arabic and Islamic text in PowerPoint on Windows. We'll start by preparing Windows to support the script you want to type. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I together to open Settings. In the left panel, choose Time and Language, then select Language and Region. This is where Windows manages the languages and keyboards available on your device. And it's the foundation for getting Arabic or another language commonly used for Islamic text set up properly. Next, click Add a Language. In the search box, type Arabic or search for another relevant language, then select it from the list. Click Next, and then Install. Keep your internet connected while this runs, because Windows may need to download the language components in the background. During this step, you'll see optional features. Make sure the keyboard option is checked so the input method is installed along with the language. Once the language is added, open its options if you want to fine-tune the keyboard layout. For Arabic, you might see layouts like Arabic 101, Arabic 102, or regional variants. Pick the layout you're most comfortable with. You can always return to this options area later to add or remove layouts without reinstalling the language. With the keyboard ready, open PowerPoint and click into a text box where you want to type. To switch your input method, press Windows and the spacebar. A small selector will appear so you can move to the newly installed Arabic keyboard. When you see it selected, you're ready to type directly in your slide. Now go ahead and type your content, whether it's Arabic script, Quranic phrases, or other Islamic text. Once the Arabic keyboard is active, PowerPoint will handle right-to-left typing, so the cursor and text direction should feel natural. If you switch back to typing in English, just press Windows and spacebar again to return to your previous keyboard. To make your text look clean and professional, choose a font designed for Arabic script. Good options include traditional Arabic or Scheherazade, which support proper shaping and diacritics. You can adjust size, color, and weight just like any other text in PowerPoint, but using a script-aware font ensures that letters connect correctly and remain easy to read on slides. If you notice characters not joining as expected, switching to one of these fonts typically resolves it. That's all you need to set up the language, enable the keyboard, switch inside PowerPoint, and format the text for a polished result.